In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce My Account page in WordPress. We'll go through the full process of installing the right customization plugin, adjusting the account menu, and then testing everything from the customer side so you can make sure the final result looks clean and works exactly the way you want. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage the settings for your website and make all of the changes shown in this tutorial. Once you're inside the dashboard, the next step is to install the My Account customization plugin demonstrated in the tutorial. This type of plugin is designed to give you more control over the WooCommerce account page, especially if you want to move beyond the default layout. After the plugin is installed, activate it. Activation is what makes the plugin available inside your site. So once that's done, you'll be able to access its settings and start customizing the account area right away. Next, open the plugin's WooCommerce account page settings. This is the section where you'll find the controls for editing the customer account menu and changing how the page is organized. Take a moment here to get familiar with the available options, because most of your work will happen in this area. Now start editing the existing menu items, including sections like orders, downloads, addresses, and account details. These are usually the standard options customers see when they log into their account, and this is where you can tailor them to better match your store's needs. If needed, add new account sections. This can be useful when you want to provide extra customer information or create a more personalized account experience. Keep the structure clear so visitors can navigate the page easily. After that, rearrange the menu items into your preferred order. Organizing the menu thoughtfully can make the account page feel much more user-friendly, especially if you want the most important sections to appear first. Once the structure is in place, customize the icons, labels, colors, and layout. This is where the design really comes together. Try to keep your choices consistent with the rest of your website so the account page feels like a natural part of your brand. When you're happy with the setup, save the changes. This ensures that all your edits are applied properly. Finally, log in using a customer account and test the customized page. Go through the menu, open the different sections, and confirm that everything displays correctly and functions as expected. This last check is important because it lets you see the page exactly as your customers will experience it.